What's the meaning of creep? Creep. Creep.
Creep. Creep. The word creep can have multiple meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to something or someone that moves slowly and silently. It can be used to describe a feeling of unease or discomfort caused by someone's actions or behavior. For example, a person who stares at others for too long or follows them without their consent can be considered a creep. The term can also be used in engineering to describe the gradual deformation or displacement of a material over time.